starting with the first step of Samba is natural basic. As the name suggests, natural. Anytime we talk about natural, means your right side, because most people write with their right hand. So natural basic or natural turn is always starting with our right leg. So let's begin our natural basic. We start with forward, hip and back, back, up, down. In this angle, this is what it should look like, your natural basic. 1, a 2, 2, a 2. 1, a 2, 2, a 2. The next step we're going to be talking is reverse basic. Reverse is exactly opposite of natural. So if natural is right hand, reverse is with your left leg or left hand. So reverse is always the left side. So here we go. 1, a 2, 2, a 2, 1, a 2, 2, a 2. Side basic. As the name suggests, side basic is going sideways. Here we go. 1, a 2, 2, a 2, 1, a 2, 2, a 2. Very importantly, when we are doing our side step, is that we will try to reach as far as possible by pushing onto this leg. Number 1. 2 is that your knee will not rotate outside. Your knees have to still remain centered towards your audience, so towards the camera in this case. So here we go. 1, a 2, 2, a 2. If you notice, I am not going up on my toes. No, I just simply want to do 1, push and bend, side, push and bend. So this is our side basic. Progressive basic is nothing but 1 forward basic, 1 side basic, so that you can keep progressing forward in any direction that you want. So progressive basic, side, a 2, forward, a 2, side, a 2, forward, a 2. Or from here if we go, 1, a 2, 2, a 2, forward, up 2, side, up 2.